Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. What we're gonna do today is create a free site in Google Sites. I think this is one of the most important things you can do to make money online. So what we're gonna do right now is head over to sites.google.com, and that link will be provided to you somewhere in there. So we're going to sites.google.com, and you see we got the whole little setup right here. It says create. Don't do that one, that's going to take you to the old sites. Click this one right here, new Google Sites. That's the one we want to hit. Boom, gonna go to new Google Sites. It has an easy way to lay out your site. You don't even really have to use a template. You could just get a blank start and start creating what you want to see. Alright, so this red plus button down here in the lower right hand corner, you see me, I'm just switching my accounts right now. It's the red plus button right here in the right corner, this one right here. So we're gonna make a new site by clicking that right there. And now we are in the Google Sites page creator, and you can see it's laid out pretty simple. Everything is easy to use, and wow, right here we just click on the title like that, boom, and now we can edit our title, and you can input any text. Right now I'm like, get started today. Okay, so that is how you edit your title right there. Okay, now we're gonna do something with the header. If you see this right here, it says you can change the image or change the header type. We can do it to title only, make it, you feel that look. If you feel that look, the banner, and then the large banner. I like to go with the banner, you know what I'm saying? It's that medium size, flexible. And we're gonna go right here to change image and upload, and we can put our own header image. So I'm gonna use one of the State Enterprising images. Boom, and we put that right there. Now you got a header. Yeah, you see that, the way it looks like with the little magic wand thing on there in the lower right hand corner, kind of makes your text stand out. So what we want to do right now is go over to the theme section over here in the far right and just pick a background color for a header. And mine is going to be that like teal, blue, greenish kind of dark thing. Okay, yeah, so we got that right there, but we can't see the text. So what we're gonna do is slide back over to that little magic wand down there and just hit that thing real quick, and then it's gonna pop us right back into place. Now you can see the text, and you can still see the image, and it's cool. It has like this little shade to it, and we want to keep this nice, white, clean. I like my backgrounds like that because it's nice, white, and clean. It's online, so it's not going to get dirty. Okay, so right now we're going to go to Insert menu, and then we're going to go down to Embed, and then we want to hit the YouTube button. And now we're bringing up a YouTube video that we want to embed into our page. If you see this right here, I'm typing in the title of the YouTube video that I want to bring up. It's State Enterprising, how to create a Google account. So right now I'm searching that up, and we're gonna pull that video up right now and place it in our page. We just gotta go down and look for it a little bit. Some people have made videos on the same subject, so confident we're right here. Look at it, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna select this video, and then we're gonna put that in there. See, now our little video widget comes up. Boom, just put that in there. And now what we want to do is just a left click to add some text. We're gonna put a nice little number 1 right there for step number 1. So we go ahead and we put our 1, And then once we get to the duplicate of this process, we're going to speed it up just to show you that, this is how you do it, and then duplicate the process to speed things up a bit, right? So you see we got our video in here, and you see we just clicked the video to expand it, and then we grabbed it by the edge, the little corner dot, you grab those and you can expand and contract your text boxes and your objects and your pictures, and it makes it really flexible for the size. And if you see, everything kind of snaps to the grid, it's flexible like that, and I think it's really neat and organized, and everything comes out looking really clean and professional and aligned. So that's why I like this. So now we're gonna go and hit this duplicate button. You see the double pages thing right there that I just hit, right on the side over there on the left sidebar. Just went and hit that double pages, and that's how we duplicated a section. So now we're gonna go ahead and just speed the rest of this process up. Right, going through, getting these videos. You see I just placed it right there, click on it and you draw it out by grabbing the little handlebars on the side, and then we go to the side panel right there and we click on the double pages. That's a duplicate section right there. And so, we can go and place our third video, make sure the sizing is right and the alignment is right, check everything, make sure we got the right even look, and then just fine tune everything real quick. Now what I want to do is add some text. That's just a left click right there, and then we add the text as our content. I'm gonna add a description into how to create a Google account. So I'm typing that up right now, and then we'll just kind of fast forward through this. It takes a while to come up with some original content, and make it interesting. So I took my time, and altogether this site took me about a good hour. If I didn't speed it up, we'd be here for about an hour. So it takes the time, make some good, interesting content that will actually benefit your reader and audience. So right now we're gonna throw some pictures in here. Hit that green upload button, just double click on the left mouse button and you bring up that little circle. You go ahead and hit that green cloud, and you can put an upload right here. You see me just pulling an upload from one of my picture libraries that I have. So I'm gonna put an arrow to direct my people and say change your life. See, we just double left clicked, and then we went to that green cloud right there, said upload. Now we can choose a picture and place the picture anywhere that we want in alignment with our whole composition that we have laid out here. It's part of the whole organization and seamless look. It has a really nice flow to it. So now that we have our pictures up, you saw how I put the pictures up. So the next step is to create the PayPal button. So what we want to do is just take the picture that we want to use as the PayPal button, right? We upload a picture, boom, and now we got that get started today button, and I'm just adding a few little more pictures right here just to tie everything in, organized, nice and neat. Okay, now you see we got to link this PayPal button to our PayPal, so we're gonna use that link right there that I'm pointing at. Okay, now what we do is open up another window and go into PayPal, and then we go to my saved buttons up here in the corner. Yes, and then on the right over here we're gonna see the drop down menu, and it says view code. So we're just gonna hit that view code, over here, right hand drop down, view code, and then the email link. We're gonna take that link right there, and then we're gonna go back to our Google Sites and drop it in that link thing like I showed you, and now we're pretty much all done. And that's how it all goes. Okay, so just the last step here is to title our page in the upper left hand corner. You see as I'm doing here. Right, okay, now we just give our page once over, make sure everything is correct before we hit that publish up in the upper right hand corner. And now we are going to create a custom URL for our page, and then we can publish right there, down there in the corner. And then we are in the money, right on target. Thanks for tuning in. It's Team Stay Enterprising.